Hey guys, welcome to a new video, and today's video is just a short little one. I kind of wanted to share a quick tip with you, a little something that I feel like many people may not know about and is really nice to know, and that is why and how you can incorporate tea into your hair care routine. That's right, we're combining two of our favorite things on this channel here. Yes, tea actually has some amazing benefits for the hair and scalp. Scalp mostly, but hair as well. Tea has been used for hair care for a very long time, and it is especially popular in the long hair community as well as the natural hair community, where it is used for several different things, but mainly to promote scalp health and combat shedding and hair loss. Now, if you are going through serious hair loss that has medical causes, then of course doing a tea rinse won't cure that. And also, as with any home remedy, take everything, I'm gonna say, with a grain of salt. Most of these things, as far as I'm aware, are not scientifically researched, but many women have had great results with this, and I feel like with something like a tea rinse, it's harmless enough to be worth giving a try. Now, tea, of course, has some great health benefits, and some of those properties translate into hair and scalp care as well. Mainly green tea is often used to promote scalp health and especially to fight dandruff. It is said to have some anti-inflammatory properties which help to soothe an itchy scalp and inhibit the growth of fungus on the scalp. Now, another thing we find in tea is caffeine, and caffeine is used very often, in fact, to promote hair growth and to slow down hair loss and hair shedding. As I mentioned, many of the store-bought anti-hair loss products actually contain caffeine because it is known to stimulate hair growth. And caffeine is also said to inhibit the hormone that causes hair loss. Tea also contains panthenol, which helps strengthen hair strands and prevent split ends. But maybe the most noticeable effect that tea can have is that it acts as a mild toner. Black tea works beautifully to make dark hair, like brown and black hair, a little bit richer, deeper, give it a beautiful luster, whereas chamomile tea has been used to enhance blonde hair and give it a little bit more shine and dimension for centuries. Now, keep in mind, chamomile tea isn't real tea, so it won't have all of the other properties that I named, but it is absolutely perfect for blonde hair. And also keep in mind, if your hair is light, red or blonde, I'd say, be careful when using black tea because, again, it does function like a toner and it can discolor your hair, make it a little bit darker. But it can also work to darken gray hair. So how do you use this? Now, I have mentioned tea rinses a couple of times, and that is actually how this is the easiest to use. You just make a cup of tea, as you normally would. I like to use tea bags for this. There's no need to use your highest quality tea. Any tea will do. I just make a cup of tea. I leave the tea bag in until the tea has completely cooled down to make sure that it is nice and strong. And you definitely do want to use tea that has completely cooled down. Be careful, of course, not to burn your scalp. So if I'm impatient, I will just pour the tea into different cups until it has cooled down. Then you want to start by washing your hair as normal, so shampoo and condition as you normally would. And then what I personally like to do is get out of the shower, take my tea, and I just dunk all of my hair into the container. And that is the way that I can ensure that all of my hair is covered in tea completely. I know some people like to transfer their tea into a spray bottle, spray it onto their hair like that. Of course, you can do whatever is most comfortable to you. I like dunking my hair in it, and then I pull my hair out, squeeze it out, and anything that is left I will just pour over the top of my head. Then you're going to want to massage this into your scalp because, again, tea is great for scalp health. And so are scalp massages, by the way. If we're talking about promoting hair growth and fighting hair loss, massages are great for that. So massage it in, then squeeze out any excess tea. And now there are several things you can do. You can either just leave the tea in and dry your hair like this. I would definitely only recommend this for dark-haired ladies. If your hair is blonde, this might stain your hair, so I would suggest you do the second method. And also, this will stain your towels, so that is why I chose to go the other way, and that is to squeeze out any excess, put a shower cap over your hair, and leave this in for about 30 minutes. Then just rinse it out with a little bit of lukewarm or cold water and you're good to go. Dry your hair as usual and apply any oils or leave-in conditioners that you usually do, because this does not really moisturize your hair. Again, it's great for your scalp. It helps to strengthen the hair a little bit, but it doesn't moisturize, so you definitely need something to do that for you. If you are using chamomile tea for blonde hair, the process is much the same, only then you can in fact leave it in. And I have read quite a few recommendations actually to apply the chamomile tea and then sit out and let your hair dry in the sun. And this will help brighten and lighten the hair a little bit more naturally. And that is it. You absolutely don't need to use this after every single wash. If you use it about once a week, maybe once every 2 weeks. After a while, you may start to notice that your hair color has a little bit more dimension. Your hair is nice and shiny. You may be shedding a little bit less. Your scalp may be more healthy and less itchy if it was so before. So all in all, I'd say it's worth a try. It's definitely something I want to incorporate into my hair care routine a little bit more often. It's a very simple, budget-friendly, low-effort way of taking just a little bit of extra care of your hair. That is what I wanted to share with you today, guys. Let me know if any of you have more extended experience with tea rinses. I'd love to hear any experiences that you have. And I hope you enjoyed this quick little tip, guys. If you did, don't forget to give a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel for loads more beauty and lifestyle content. If you would like to support me through Patreon or my merch store, there'll be links in the description box below. Thank you so much for your support. There is another video here that I think you might also enjoy. You can go watch next. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you very soon in my next video.